Hey guys, I'm David DeMuzio, and today I want to tell you about the easiest way to prevent and stop hair loss. 2 out of 3 guys will start experiencing hair loss by the time they're 35. Me personally, I started going bald about 19, so started a little bit early. And it was a very frustrating thing for me to go through. At the time, I wasn't really aware of what to do. There wasn't a lot of great information online readily available, so I was just kind of at a loss, and I figured, well, shoot, I just kind of have to go bald. This sucks. Fast forward a couple of years, and I went on YouTube, and I found out about hair transplants, and so I got my first hair transplant. I ended up having 3 hair transplants. My last one was about 4 years ago. During that time, I learned a lot about preventative treatments for hair loss and how powerful they are and how much better they're getting all of the time. So if I knew now what I knew back then at the very beginning of my hair loss, maybe I could have completely prevented ever having surgeries. So I would love to save you going through those kind of invasive treatments if possible. So it used to be that if you wanted to get the most powerful FDA-approved treatments for hair loss, you would have to make an appointment with your primary care doctor or a dermatologist, go to them, pay them a fee, and then they would prescribe you medication, and then you would go get your, go to wherever, some kind of pharmacy, and pick it up, and then go back after it needs a refill and all of that. But these days, it's way easier. Sometimes hair loss can be an embarrassing subject to talk about, and you might not want to go to your normal primary care doctor to really even discuss it. But you can just go online to keeps.com. You fill out a question and answer, a couple pages that they've got there. It takes maybe 10 minutes total. You take some pictures of your hair. It's just 3, 2, 1, click on a webcam. You go 3, 2, 1, click, 3, 2, 1, click, and kind of show them all the angles of your hair. And then a doctor reviews your medical history and your application, your pictures. And if you qualify, then they send you in the mail FDA-approved treatments for hair loss. And it's super convenient, and you don't have to go get refills. They automatically refill your prescription and send you in the mail every time that you need more medication. So it's super, super simple. Definitely the easiest way to get FDA-approved treatments for hair loss. Keeps has more 5-star reviews than any of their competitors, and over 100,000 men trust Keeps to send them their medication and help them prevent hair loss. I do need to make clear that there is no medication that will take you from being a guy who's completely bald, with the horseshoe, really obvious horseshoe pattern hair loss, to a guy with a full head of hair. Don't be a guy who's completely bald and think that with preventative treatments, you're gonna get all your hair back. That's just not gonna happen. The best time to use the medication Keeps provides is when you're just starting to experience hair loss, or you've just got, you still have a little bit of hair at least up there, and it's more to prevent more hair loss. It might bring back some hair, but is more preventative than anything. So the best time to start for you is probably now. If you go to keeps.com/David DeMuzio, you can get 50% off of your first order from Keeps. So keeps.com/David DeMuzio. Prevent your hair loss before it ever starts. That's definitely the easiest and best time to do it. I'm currently using all of the medication that Keeps provides, as well as a laser helmet, and my hair looks better than ever. And this is 4 years after my last hair transplant. I want to wish you happy and healthy hair.